my channel. Today we're gonna be making this pear gingerbread, and it has a caramel icing which is to die for. It is so delicious, and I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be your new go-to bread this time of year. Now let's get started. So to start this pear gingerbread, I'm adding 1/2 cup of room temperature butter to my bowl, and I'm gonna beat this with 3/4 cups of sugar until it's fully combined. This could be done by hand or with a mixer, use whichever you prefer. Next goes in 1 egg and continue to mix it until the mixture is nice and creamy. I'm then going to be adding the vanilla extract to the batter and 1 heaping tablespoon of molasses syrup, which is a must for gingerbread. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar is then going in, and this is going to keep those pears nice and white in color while they bake. Mix this all together, then goes in those dry ingredients, the flour, baking soda, and to give this bread its delicious gingerbread spice, I'm adding all the ground cinnamon, allspice, and cloves. Don't forget that this full recipe is listed down below in the description box. Now, as you can see, this batter is a bit dry right now, and that's because we're going to be adding all of the chopped pears, which hold a lot of moisture inside. I'm going to peel and cut into chunks 2 cups of these pears right here. They're nice and ripe and soft when you press into them. Gently fold them into the batter until incorporated, and add this to your loaf pan, which of course has been greased and floured. Pop this into your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake this loaf for about 55 minutes. While that's baking in the oven, I'm gonna make the most delicious caramel glaze sauce you will ever try. This is 1/2 cup of butter being melted in my saucepan along with 1 cup of brown sugar. Allow this to cook until it comes up to a simmer. Then I will simply just be mixing in 1/4 cup of milk and turning off the heat to incorporate all the powdered sugar. Mix it in half at a time so it won't form any lumps, and the taste of this rich and buttery glaze is just heavenly. Once the bread is ready, allow it to cool about 5 to 10 minutes, and you could either remove it from the pan to add the glaze or simply just add everything right on top. This glaze forms a nice crust as it cools. It's just perfect. This gingerbread really is just something else. It's super moist with tender pieces of juicy pear, and of course that rich buttery caramel glaze. I'm just telling you guys now, this pear gingerbread is for sure going to be your new go-to holiday loaf bread this season.